Hi, welcome to Noah's ASMR Cleaning, Part 1. So, today I'm going to be cleaning things that I'm going to be putting in a box, and you should have them already. So, let's start off with the first thing. First, we have a birthday gallon of Arizona sweet tea, and so we're just going to take our barbicide spray here, and we're just going to spray it all over the bottle. And what we're going to do, we're going to take a paper towel, if you have access to them. We're just going to wipe it off. There we go. So this barbicide is a strong formula used by professionals in the cosmetology industry, and it is a viricide, so it will kill the COVID-19 virus upon contact. So let's get this going. And so here we have a beautiful box provided by Sally Beauty, and we're just gonna put that in the box. Okay, so what is the next thing we're gonna do? Let's see. In lieu of a angel food cake, we have marble sliced pound cake or loaf cake. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray the top real quick, make sure it doesn't get in the packaging, any part that could touch anything. So we're just gonna disinfect that real quick. So real quick, we have one special viewer out there, Samantha Campbell. Just wanted to wish her a happy birthday. She's going to be 22 this year. Yeah. And some would say there isn't really a fun milestone after 21 years old. But that's wrong. There's 22 the year afterwards, where you think about how old you're getting, how your body slowly starts to decay a little bit. I'm just going to throw this in there. Okay. Just leave that, actually. So, what's next? Let's see. Oh, perfect. So, as you start to get older, and as your body starts to break down, you might need to use baby wipes, which I think we've actually already been using. So I'm just going to spray these down a little bit, make sure those are all nice and clean during this pandemic. Okay. And this is for when the birthday girl has to go poopy, right? Yeah. So we're just going to throw this in there as well. And we'll just put that right next to the sweet tea. And then what else do we have? We got a few fan favorites here. We have 2 packages of cosmic brownies, so I'm just going to spray these down real quick. And so cosmic brownies are always the best way to do a little bit of stress eating. You know, it's a stressful time, and we have a few other stressful events going on, so we just want to make sure we nip those in the butt with these cosmic brownies. Okay, so we're gonna wipe these down real quick. Perfect. So both of our cosmic brownies are now safe. What's next? After the cosmic brownies, you gotta do something a little healthier, so we got some peaches. So we're just gonna wipe this down a bit. And if you're wondering if I'm gonna wipe down every single thing, I am. And this is a good time to go through my rationale behind each product. So the peaches, well, I think we can understand where the peaches come from with Samantha Campbell. Okay. So let's see what else we have. We got waffles, so for those early mornings, you know, maybe we can put some peanut butter on there, some syrup. But I liked this one specifically because they just look really happy on the box, don't they? Just like little googly eyes. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna throw this in there. Put that there. What else? Okay. So on to our favorite snack, or one of them at least. We have Cheez-Its. Now, if you'll notice, these are the original. I tried to find the double-baked Cheez-Its, except everybody else caught on, and they were all sold out. So I got regular Cheez-Its, and you know what? We might be able to just like throw these in the oven a little bit. But whatever you want to do, they're your Cheez-Its, girl. Your Cheez-Its. So I'm gonna throw this in there real quick. I knew I should have gotten the bigger box. I knew it. Okay, I might have to make some space somewhere. Okay, so this can go on top of there. What else do we have? I have one more big thing, but before that, we have a bunch of little things. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have some foot masks. Let's see which ones. We got Tangerine Twist, Lavender Relieve, Ocean Refresh, Eucalyptus Energy Boost, Cucumber Fresh, Cucumba. And I know there was one Mango Delight, Eucalyptus again. Okay, so let's see. Jasmine Green Tea Detox. So let's see which ones we want. So we have a few different options. We'll do Mango Delight for Sam. Let's do Ocean Refresh for Maddie. Jasmine Soothe for Miss Mama. And then let's do, I'm trying to think. We'll do Cucumber Fresh for Danielle, Lavender for Mama Lou, and then for Dad, we're gonna do the Green Tea Detox, because you know that shit's dirty. So we're gonna do that real quick. I still have some of these. Okay. So I'm just gonna spray all these at once. Then wipe those down real quick. And so my rationale behind this is that it's a fun, goofy thing to do with the family. You know, this is I think it's a 3-step thing. So I just imagine everybody sitting with random stuff on their feet. And I think that's kind of comical. So we're just gonna do that. Make sure all these get nice and clean. Okay. So these, I'm just gonna go right in there. Just stack those in. Okay. And so, last but very not least, to go with the sweet tea, we have from our sponsor, Giant Eagle Market District, a bottle of cucumber effin' vodka. And so this one I read once in a TMZ article that this was Sam's favorite vodka. So that's why we have this one. And this is so we can mix it with the green tea. And even though I'm not going to be there, we can have a nice drink together. And before you think, wow, could have got White Claw, I would have, except I bought this before and they don't allow refunds. So here we go. Okay, make sure this is nice and clean. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna find a good place for this. I'm actually gonna put this back in the packaging. And we're gonna put that right there in the corner. Gotta find a way to get this in there. Okay. So got the foot mask, got the vodka. We got the Babe wipes. Ooh, can't forget the loaf. Wow, this is the perfect size box. Holy guacamole. I guess I didn't need this packing paper. Let's put it in anyways. Okay, yeah, never mind, that's not gonna work. Okay. Well, thank you for tuning in to my non-ASMR cleaning series. Happy birthday, Sammy Sam. I love you so much. Even though things are a little shitty right now, we'll still have each other afterwards. Mwah! Okay, now I gotta turn this off. Okay, start recording. There we go.